My name is Teduh Alam Sasmita. In the previous video, I was introducing myself and my main job as a partnership analyst. And now, I will tell you how to compose a good MoU or Memorandum of Understanding. The goal of this instruction is to inform everyone how to compose a good contract for partnership business. All you need is a personal computer, verbal agreement between parties, and a guidebook, Standard Procedures and Criteria, SPC, or NSPK in Indonesian, Standar, Prosedur, dan Kriteria. First of all, negotiate the terms and conditions between you and other parties verbally. Write down the main purpose and goals of partnership you agree on, plus rights and obligations. Then, put down the initial agreement into the framework format according to an SPC or NSPK. After every initial and basic agreement concluded into the initial framework, hand it over to the other parties to be checked. If there are any clauses they don't agree with, you can renegotiate and put the new deal into the MoU. This step can occur more than a couple times until both parties agree with every detail. Don't forget to put in the expired clause to legitimate the agreement period of validity and dispute clause in case of any disadvantage or loss between parties. When the negotiation is complete and every clause is accepted, prepare the signing by printing the document into at least 2 copies, each one for both parties. Please be kind to conduct the signing simultaneously with both parties. Then, both parties can carry out their rights and obligations obediently. Okay, that's it, my short video to give instruction of composing MoU for English class assignment. Thank you.